1. Which relationships drain you the most? Work, family, friendships? Where do you feel the pressure the moment someone asks for something? 2. What emotion hits you first when someone makes a request? Fear, guilt, obligation, worry about disappointing them? 3. What do you imagine will happen if you say no? They'll be upset? They'll pull away? They'll judge you? Here's the surprising truth. Setting boundaries is a gift, not just to you, but to the people around you. Because when you stop saying yes resentfully, your relationships become more honest. Your presence becomes more grounded. Your yes becomes real again. But to shift that, you need a new internal strategy, a guilt-free rewiring kit. Here's how to shift your guilt response gently and sustainably without overwhelming your nervous system. 1. The preemptive strike. Set expectations before you're put on the spot. Examples: I'm keeping my schedule lighter this month. Or, I'm practicing saying no more often. Or, I might decline things I usually say yes to. This warms your nervous system to the idea of change. 2. The soft no, the simplest method for a guilt-free boundary. I appreciate you asking, but I'm not able to take that on. Short, clear, no apologies, no over-explaining. 3. The I statements. They help you own your experience without blaming anyone. I need more downtime this week, or I'm focusing on my mental health today, or I can't commit to that, but I hope it goes well. They reduce guilt because they speak from truth, not defensiveness. Now let's apply these to real situations. These scripts are plug and play. Copy them, use them, adjust them. Work interruptions. Colleague, do you have a minute? You, I'm in the middle of something. Can we reconnect in an hour? Or, I want to give you my full attention, but I can't right now. Let's set a time. Family dynamics. Relative. Can you help me with something real quick? You, I'm resting right now, but I can help tomorrow. Or, I can't take that on today, but I hope you find what you need. Friendship boundaries. Friend, can you talk? I'm really overwhelmed. You, I care about you so much, but I'm not in the mental space to talk right now. Can we check in later? This protects your energy and the relationship. Unwanted advice. I appreciate you caring, but I'm not looking for advice right now. Simple, clear, kind. Every time you use one of these scripts, you reinforce a new belief. My needs matter too. The ripple effect of just one boundary. The moment you set even one boundary, you trigger a ripple effect. Your body relaxes. Your breathing slows. Your mind gets clearer. Your relationships become more honest, and your energy stops leaking into places it never belonged. But here's the part most people don't tell you. Some people will test your new boundaries, not because they're toxic, not because they don't care, but because they're used to the old version of you. This doesn't mean you're doing it wrong. It means you're changing. Stay firm, stay grounded, stay gentle with yourself. Every time you say no to something that drains you, you're saying yes to the life you're building. A life with more clarity, more peace, more energy, and more room for the version of you who finally trusts herself to take up space. So here's your gentle 30-day challenge. For the next month, implement one boundary script each week. Week 1, the soft no. Week 2, the I need statement. Week 3, the preemptive strike. Week 4, a friendship or family script. Not perfect, not forceful, just intentional. Because healing your boundaries isn't about becoming harsher, it's about becoming truer. You deserve that. When someone asks something of you, what does your body do first? Do your shoulders tense? Does your stomach tighten? Do you freeze, fawn, or rush toward yes? Let me know in the comments.